Hello Chris, this is my submission for Lab 3. This would be my binary calculator. For my outputs I'm using 4 red LEDs and 1 RGB LED. And for my inputs I'm using the switch and the temperature sensor. The 4 red LEDs will be used to count from 0 to 15 in binary and show it visually. Once it goes past 15, so 16, it'll add 1 to another counter which controls this RGB LED. So this will go from 0 to 3, 0 being off, 1 being green, 2 being yellow, 3 being red. The switch here is used to pause the increment, and will also turn on the onboard LED as well. So we'll set the increment to 0 so everything just kind of stays in place. And the temperature sensor actually increases the increment. So if it goes above a certain temperature, it'll go up by 2 instead of 1, or 3 instead of 1. So let's just turn this on. Now the delay for the whole system to go through its loop is currently set to 1000. However, when I submit this, it's going to be set to 2000 because the temperature sensor, the DHT11, starts throwing errors if you try to read from it quicker than every 2 seconds. But I didn't want to use 2 seconds here because it would be very slow. So I'm just going to let it cycle through so you can see the RGB LED go through. There's the yellow. Looks white on camera, unfortunately. And there's the red. Now I'm just going to show the switch here. As you can see, that paused it, and the onboard LED went on as well. I release it, the onboard goes off, and this continues. So again, instead of putting a flame to it, I'm just going to hard code my temperature variable, and I'm going to upload that. And this is going to set it to 25, which should increase the increment to 3. Yeah, and there it is. And that's confirmed with my serial monitor. I also have it set up that if the counter is above 15, so if we have a +3 and it brings it back above, I set it to 15 only when it's adding to the totals, just to kind of keep that consistent. But yeah, that is my Lab 3 submission. If you have any questions, or if I didn't explain something you would like to hear, please let me know, and I can definitely retake the video. Thank you.